Service center was first opened up in the mid-90s. Houston was a very strategic spot for us. It was our first service center that we went into directly. Prior to that, we'd worked through channel partners. We bring OEM expertise for all the Howden product lines closer to the customer base. And one of the things we've really learned is becoming trusted advisors with our customers. And we've expanded our customer base through that approach. You know, we've done a number of customers would have continuous repairs until we were able to get our expertise in, explain to them how to apply their product better within their process. We actually long-term save them money. I mean, we know this is really the energy capital of certainly North America, people would argue the world. There's a huge installed base in this region. We can respond better, we can reduce their downtime. We also, with our expansion to the PCOG team, we now get a full wing-to-wing exposure to the marketplace. You know, now we're going to have a team that's tied into working with EPCs as they're engineering a job or doing feed studies, right down to, you know, our aftermarket salesmen that are in the refineries or in the chemical plants know exactly what the customer's doing when they're using our equipment. They know what's important to them. So people often are asking why this service center? Why should they use a Howden product line? The OEM knows the capabilities of that equipment. We're up the latest in technology within that equipment. We know how far we can push the equipment, how we can increase efficiency, all the number of things that OEM's going to give you, and then back it with the Howden name. Additionally, we're going to do testing in this facility that other people are not going to either be able to do or want to do. They're going to get the best of both worlds. It's close to the customer base, we're competitive in price, but we're giving them the absolute technology that they need for their process.